Alright, first on the list is this old BRK model from the early 80s, probably, maybe 79 or so. And on the back here is the model number. It's 79 DCRI. And as you can see, it is a wired-in model. But there's something weird about the smoke detector, and I'll show you what. If you look in here, that's where a 9-volt battery goes. So, this is actually a 9-volt only power detector, but as you can see, there's a yellow and purple wiring harness right here, and then there's a 3-wire harness right here. Now this harness is for the relay. It has common, normally open, normally closed contacts. So this can activate auxiliary devices. Now these 2 wires are for interconnection. This was an early form of interconnection. Alright, and now I'm going to plug the battery in and see what happens. There we go. Oh, come on. It's a little bit difficult to hold the camera at the same time. There we go. Now. No beep. Anyways, let's test it. Quite loud. Do it again. It's pretty cool. Now, I'll show you how it sounds with the cover on. Nice little chirp. Now here's a different model. This is a rebranded Dicon model. It is rebranded by Ten-Tek. As you can see on the back. It's an IB900. Probably from the late 80s. So let's open it up. As you can see, it's got the same insides to the Dicon model, with this smaller and slightly older board. So, time to put a battery in it. It might beep, so let's see, I'll put the camera down. No beep. So now, you see how this all works? Let's test this model. Uh-oh. Might have a similar problem to what Lynn's detector had with the tab bent down. Up, and that's the problem. So let's test it now. It should work. And that was indeed the problem. So, well, you've heard it, and you've seen it, so that's about it.